बस एक फोटो मिल जाए अपने लिए।
यार इतनी फोटोज तो तुम्हारी मैं ले लिया, अब क्या
अच्छी वाली ये मुझे रिकॉर्ड कर।
हे गाइस, तो आज नेक्स्ट वीकेंड है हमारा और हम इस वीक डेस्टिनेशन है हमारा हाई कसल। तो मिलते हैं हाई कसल पे, ओके।
So finally we reached 66 grams. और ऐसा दिख रहा है लवी भाई कैसल। एंड अब हम लोग जाने वाले हैं ऊपर की तरफ। यार तुमको फोटो ही लेना था तो यार ऊपर जाके लेती ना।
और गाइस क्या बोलूं, मौसम इतना सही है ना, मतलब ऐसा सिचुएशन कभी देखा नहीं आगा इतना ज्यादा।
टाइम टू क्लीम ऑन द लवी भाई कैसल, लेट्स गो। Simran is going to run now and we have to catch her. Simran कुछ बोलो, कुछ बोलो अपने व्यूअर्स को जो तुम्हारे फैंस तुम्हारी एक वर्ड से सुनने के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं।
Nothing, we are at the high castle right now.
Yes.
A random plan.
Yes. Random plans are always better, right?
Yeah. But when friends are not serious about it, it's mood spoiling.
यहाँ पे ये ड्राइंग्स बनाते हैं किसी की। No, we are in a hurry. And now Chaya is about to give her introduction.
Hello everyone, I'm from Delhi.
Uh-huh.
My name is Chaya Sharma.
Okay.
And basically I have been here since last 2 months. And this is my first time I've reached at High Castle. Till now the experience is very good.
Yes.
Although we are late over here just because of you bhaiyas.
Really?
One who is making the video and the other they are coming at the back.
I'm making video so that everyone can see it. If I will go alone, then I will enjoy by myself only. But if I will make video, then many of others will also enjoy with us. Now we are about to reach the top point.
Only this much?
Yes.
Come back.
Yes, let's go. कंटेंट कंटेंट मिल जाएगा क्या? Oh my God! Look at the view, guys. It is so amazing. जय श्री कृष्णा। क्या बोल रहा है? Guys, so we are right now in the top point of Lavi Bhai Castle, and you can see the almost the entire city from here.
हो गया तुम्हारा? बहुत है इतना?
क्या क्या बहुत है?
हो गया, बन गया वीडियो।
हाँ, क्योंकि तुम्हें फोटो क्लिक करवानी है इसीलिए।
हाँ।
आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फोटो खिंचाने वालों का काफी बढ़ चुका है।
यार इतनी फोटोज तो तुम्हारी मैं ले लिया, अब क्या
अच्छी वाली ये मुझे रिकॉर्ड
भाई मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया भाई बहुत ही ज्यादा यार, मतलब दिन खत्म हो जाएगा लेकिन तुम लोग का जो है ना ये
नहीं खत्म
हाँ इतना
So here you can see a lot of people enjoying the weekend and partying with their friends and families and all. So we are also here to enjoy our weekend right
So
now.
one thing that I learned after coming here, that
Yeah.
don't come with any girl
Yeah.
who like to take too much photo.
Yeah, you get frustrated.
And today I have two special friend with me. They are from Vinnytsia. Hi bro. Hi. So are you enjoying here, bro?
Yeah, good.
How you find Lviv?
Actually, we used to travel during weekends. So we came here.
So is this city beautiful?
Of course, we can say this is what Paris of Ukraine. Everything look amazing.
Yes, yes. So now it's time to leave the high castle.
Come,
let's-
we have enjoyed a lot and now we are heading towards the city center
Yes.
for the ice skating, and most probably next weekend we will find a new place and we will be back with Amin.
वीडियो चल रहा है क्या?
Yes, yeah.
नीचे रहूंगा, मैं नीचे रहूंगा, अचानक से आ जाऊंगा।
So time to go to city center.
Yes, let's go.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the view of High Castle. Now we are going down. Actually, we have to go to the city center for ice skating, and maybe we will go to any restaurant or cafe for some coffee, or maybe we will eat a little bit.
Meet Chaya, she is the most energetic girl and happiest girl I have
Doesn't
met
look
in
like
the
it.
first year. See, the first year. But the best friends I ever get. Sudeep, Prerna.
How you find me, Chaya? How
You are literally an amazing person. So it was a little weekend enjoyment by seniors and juniors, just like friends. Enjoying having a strong bond between us, and hopefully this bond will continue.
And there
further.
is no any kind of difference, like I'm in the second year and she is first year, so I
yeah,
am
we
just
are all
imposing
same.
anything on
We
her.
are all same. Just like a small family. Yeah.
In Lviv,
Away from home.
away from our home,
Away
our
from
country.
home, but with a new family, new home, new place, new destiny.
Yes.
And hopefully this journey will be
Amazing.
amazing.
और ये लोग wrong path पे जाते हुए.
That was
Sahi
a
path
place
pe
to go
aa
there
gaye.
as well.
That's why I told you always stay with your seniors so that he can guide you.
Did you record that?
So guys, this is the little snowman which I have made, and as I am going from here, so I am going to destroy her face. Oh! अच्छा, आ जाओ. सिमरन, जी लो अपनी जिंदगी.
जी रही हूँ मैं तो.
Oh my God, she's so cute. This cute girl. Okay, bye. Bye. I am from India. Okay.
All of this.
So guys, we are now going to the city center. Sudeep, you are being caught. Subscribe to Lavivi Kamil.
Oh, juniors, we'll meet you soon.
are you enjoying Chaya?
Yes, I'm enjoying a lot.
Okay.
But in between, I need to add something.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. I have watched all your videos when I was about to come here.
Really?
Really, and I liked it all because it was too helpful. So it includes all the essential things that we need over here, like all the supermarket things, all the things that we should know, the general things, the general places, and the video was great, really great.
Thank you so much, Chaya. I hope this video will also help to your juniors
Yeah.
who will come in 2021.
And juniors, get ready for getting such enthusiastic seniors.
So right now we are at the center of Lviv, and maybe we'll go for ice skating. I think.
Maybe.
Not sure. ऊपर फेंकना है? अच्छा.
Have you visited a church?
Not till now. So amazing.
And we are just done with our photo session. We are photo freak people.
Come.
Jacket पहनना?
And this.
And ये juniors का photo session चल रहा है.
ये कहाँ?
आ गए हम तेरे साथ चल चल के.
Wow.
Sorry.